Today I'm going to talk about Docker and why we should use it. So, what is Docker? Docker is a new technology that provides the ability to package and run an application in an isolated environment. That environment called a container. The meaning is that container packages up your code and all its dependencies so the application runs quickly and reliably from one environment to another. For example, when you want to develop a Node.js application with Docker, it will grab your Node.js source code and its dependencies in Node module folder, like Express mobiles. All of that's grabbed up into a Docker container and run isolated with the host machine. Docker container is very lightweight because it's run directly within the host machine's kernel, and it doesn't need the extra load of a hypervisor when you use the virtual machine to run your application. And here's a picture to present the difference between running the application with the virtual machine, which is Docker. When running your applications with the virtual machines, your application will be inside a virtual machine, along with libraries, binaries, and full guest OS. Full virtualization is much heavier than Docker. On the other hand, Docker containers include your application and all of these dependencies, but share the OS kernel with other containers. And here is example. Two containers share the same host OS kernel. So the question why you should use Docker, in my opinion, the first reason is your software development will be speed up by Docker. Here's a scenario. Just imagine when you're developing a Node.js application and you need a Mysql server. Just run a Docker command like this, and now you have a Mysql server is running with 3306 port opened already for you to connect to. Another scenario is that after you develop your application with Docker and you want to share it with your colleagues, and it works the same for both the machine and your college machines without unexpected errors like missing dependencies or missing some configurations. That's how Docker resolves the problem. It works on my machine. The second reason is that Docker will automate many operation tasks in your production environment. When you use some orchestration tools like Kubernetes or Docker Swarm along with Docker to develop your application to the production environment, to deploy your application to the production environment. So now you know why you should use Docker. Let's jump into deeper how Docker works. Here is Docker architecture. I'll explain some concept here. Docker clients is Docker CLI tool to talk with Docker daemon. And here's a Docker CLI. You can use some commands to talk with Docker like Docker run or Docker build. So Docker daemon manages Docker containers and images. An image is a template with instructions for creating a Docker container. A container is a runnable instance of image. So here's demo. Here's my MySQL image, and here's a container that's created from MySQL image, and it's running. So what is the Docker registry? Docker registry stores Docker images. For example, it could store Docker images for Redis, Ubuntu, Nginx, etc. So you can run your own private registry or take a look at Docker Hub. Is a public registry and it is the default registry for Docker. Just access to hub.docker.com and search for whatever Docker image you want. For example, I'm looking for Mysql image, and you can see it is an official image. Click on that, and there is an instruction on how to use the Mysql image. So that's it. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.